Hello everyone. This is the first video that I'm creating for the Fun Friday section. So for this week, let me show you how to make your command prompt interesting and add some colors to it. Seems interesting, right? Okay, let's dive into it. Now, at first, your command prompt looks like this, right? When you open it, you'll have an address, your local address, and it comes in a black color. About this address hiding the local path, I'll create another video for next week. So, coming back to changing the appearance and the color. Now, what you need to do is just right click, go to the settings, and okay, select command prompt in appearance. Come to additional settings, appearance, and you can play with the colors now. Okay. So at first it is Tango Dog. Let's do it Ubuntu color. So this small screen tells you how your appearance will look like once you save it. So let's save it and see. Okay, great. It has changed now. And you can also change it to other colors are also there. So nice now. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, save it. Save. Great. Now you're not. You also want to add further colors to it and background. Now what we should do? Okay, the first thing that you can do, come to the background image, and if you have any other background image that you have saved inside in your computer, just just paste the uh, paste the file, PNG file or JPG file over there, and save. And let's see what happens. See, it has changed, right? So cool, isn't it? So your command prompt has become now more interesting, and we have added some colors to it. One last thing that I wanted to show you is uh, if you don't want to do this, if you don't have any image and you just want your desktop wallpaper on your command prompt, you can do that. You can select this option and you can save it, and voila, you have it. So welcome to your new command prompt. This is interesting, isn't it? Watch out for more cool stuff. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.